Ready to unlock the power of the Crypto.com app and navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading? Let's start from the very beginning, downloading the app and creating your account. Tap Sign Up, enter your email address, and follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. This is a crucial step for security and compliance. Once verified, familiarize yourself with the app's interface. The Accounts tab is your central hub. Here, you'll find your crypto wallet for holding various cryptocurrencies and your fiat wallet for managing traditional currencies. Next, depositing funds. Tap on your fiat wallet and select Deposit. Choose your preferred method: credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Follow the prompts to link your payment method and deposit funds into your account. Now, let's dive into trading. Tap the Trade button at the bottom. You'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies. Select the one you want to trade, like Bitcoin, for example. You'll then see the buy and sell options for a market order. Simply enter the amount you want to buy or sell and tap Buy or Sell. This executes the order at the current market price. For more control, use a limit order. Specify the price you want to buy or sell at in the price field, and the amount in the amount field. The order will only execute when the market reaches your specified price. To manage risk, consider using a stop-loss order. This sets a price at which your cryptocurrency will be automatically sold to limit potential losses if the market moves against you. Need to convert one cryptocurrency to another? Use the Convert feature. Select the coins you want to swap and the app will show you the exchange rate. When you're ready to withdraw, go to your crypto or fiat wallet, select Withdraw, and follow the instructions to transfer your funds to an external wallet or your bank account. Remember to be aware of transaction fees. You can usually find information about fees within the app's settings or help center. Explore the app's other features, like price alerts to stay informed of market movements, portfolio tracking tools to monitor your investments, and news feeds to stay updated on the latest crypto developments. Also, look into earning rewards by staking your crypto or participating in other promotional offers within the app. The Crypto.com app is constantly evolving, so stay updated on new features and updates to maximize your trading experience.